Hey friends, welcome back. Today we are going to draw a beautiful flower. Are you ready? Let's go. First we start with a small circle in the middle. Now let's draw the petals. Next, let's draw the stem. It goes straight down from the top. Now for the leaves. One leaf on the right and one on the left. Time to color. Green for the leaves and stem. Bright happy colors for the petals. And yellow for the middle. Great job, guys!